You sleeping on your mommy's t-shirt? Excuse me, Ricky. What are you doing? Huh? Is that sleeping on my... Oh, Ricky, Mom. What are you two doing? You keeping the baby company? I know. Riley went home, but he'll be back tomorrow. Yeah. What? Are you talking to me? You are? Oh. Look what Maddie does to the bedding. Makes a big hump. Not on her bed. Oh no, not on her bed. Just on her brother's. Yeah. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Oh. What? What? Oh. Really? Oh. Do you think we should do some breakfast? You do? Yeah? Okay. We'll do some breakfast.